Hello, how you doing? Just adjusting my tripod. Here's my bag I brought back, can I speak, from Ontario. I got it at Herbert's, which is a store that I have shopped at over 30 years anyway. It's in Alliston. I just simply took everything out, the zip closed. I'm going to try and do this so you can see what I'm doing. So I've got some Wyman's leather cleaner and wipes. I like these. They're very easy to use. They're very friendly. And you really don't waste a lot when you use this product. I like to get in between all the little leather spots. So I'm doing a lot of activities outside the house tomorrow, and I don't like to take a huge purse, to carry. I'd rather have something little. I don't live well in a big purse anymore. I used to, but times have changed. See how it goes darker, and it almost looks like the leather has been ruined. And when that happens, you know that you're doing, or I know I'm doing the right thing with it. I encourage you to take care of your leather bags. They'll last forever. This is made with great love and care. They have a wonderful store. Again, it's Herbert's in Ontario. You can tell some of the dirt coming off with that oil, that cleaner, so it does a polish and a clean, and often gets rid of any little stains. I really don't allow too much to happen to my purses. I'm pretty persnickety. I like to take very good care of them, and I do love a really great bag. I don't like to spray directly on the leather. I don't know if that's the way to do it or not. I have no idea. I'm not a pro at any of my videos or the content, but I just kind of show what I'm doing. And if you want to do it that way, that's up to you. I'm trying to get in the folds here. This actually really holds a lot, like tissues, small wallet, all your ID, little compact mirror, tube lipstick if that's what a person wants, cell phone, the necessities. But just in case it rains again when I'm out, I want to make sure this has had a really good clean. See? It's really soaking in there. It looks cracky. Is that a word? Yes, it is. It looks cracky. And it looks yucky. But I will leave it for several hours to dry after it's been done. And I like to do my bags together, but I've accumulated quite a few. And not all of them are leather. My favorite ones are. I have an old Fossil hippie bag. It's pretty cool. Fossil? Oh wait, nope, might be the wrong name. Anyway, I've got a few. They're my favorite, and they're usually the leather. Try to get near the zipper. Anyway, this is not a how-to. None of my videos are. I'm just a person who likes to blog and share the way that I do stuff. Doesn't mean that's the way you have to do it. Now, I understand some of the color comes off the leather as well, but this has got to be cleaned. This will soak in. And boy, I tell you, after it's soaked in and really dried like overnight, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. It honestly looks like it's brand new again and not a year old or has lived with me taking it in the truck or taking it in the Jeep or going somewhere, going to the beach and throwing it upon the sand, because that's happened a lot too. starting to get that very soft texture that I just love. I like to get the buckled areas as well, if I can. If I can't, well, it can always be redone. But I don't change the setting on the strap. I like a good crossbody bag, whether it's in style or not. It really doesn't matter to me. I picked it up because I just fell in love with it. I was like, oh, that's mine. And of course it was. So, just going over things one more time to ensure that I get every single spot that I can see, and probably missed a lot. But that's okay. That word is called grace, and I give myself a lot of grace. Look, there's a pen mark. Oops. Oh, it's fine. I'm not worried about it. Oh, there, that's looking so nice. Oh, even that little tag for the zipper. I want to do that too. And one more time on maybe the front. Actually, I'm going to open this up again. And you might wonder if I reuse these. I do. I'll put it back in there because I use like 2 at a time. That's not really necessary. But I use them until I cannot. So there's the dark look on the outside. You've probably done this a dozen times going, "What, Willow? What are you talking about?" Oh, just talking to you and you're listening, so that's very kind of you. I appreciate it. I appreciate all who come and visit. Even those who don't want to say hello. That's fine. There's more male viewers and Canadian viewers than female. That's odd. But each one of you are very appreciated. So you may not be able to get Weiman's, W-E-I-M-A-N, leather conditioning wipes or the spray. And if you can't, I would just encourage you to ask someone in your area what they use, because that way you can get their advice. They'll tell you what they use, what they don't use. Doing around the zippers now, just to ensure the conditioning is right up to the very top. Again, one more time on the handles. Oh, it's getting so nice and warm outside, and I'm thankful. I have a lot of things to do this week. So many things. There we go. I'm going to hang this up in the dining room along the chairs and let it dry for a period of, I don't know, what is it, 11:14? Yeah, tonight, tomorrow, in the morning, and then maybe just later on tonight. That's what it looks like. It's very wet. That's the conditioner, and really does make it beautiful, soft, and supple. And you don't want to get that on your hands. Just give a few sprays in the bottle to keep the rest hydrated. And that's it for me. I'm done. All right. Have a good one. Thanks for dropping by.